13, 14. Yes, sir. What is up, BeFitNow fam? This is Coach Amp with over 20 years of personal training experience. All right, guys, now today we've got some good stuff for you. We are training the triceps. All right, we're well into our fall season, creeping up on winter. So it's time to put the work in. So when summer comes around, sun's out, guns out, let's get it. All right, guys, now the movements that we have chosen to achieve our objective today, that objective is to get a good pump and fullness in those triceps. All right, movement number one, we have the rope press down. Next, we have the seated dip. Then we're gonna move on to an overhead extension, and we're gonna finish off with a close grip push-up. All right, BeFitNow fam. Now, let's talk about the why. We're starting out with the rope press down. One of my favorites to start off with because it's very gentle on the elbows. We have to remember the joints, the tendons, ligaments. We want to make sure that everything is nice and warmed up before we put a lot of pressure on the muscles. So from there, we're going to move on to the seated dip. All right, tried and true, should be a staple in every tricep movement, not just for functionality, but if you really want to hit all those heads in the triceps, you've got to have some form of dip. All right, now we're moving to an overhead extension, all right, to hit that inner portion of the tricep, okay? And we're gonna finish off with an elevated close grip push-up, all right, just to fill those triceps up with blood to give you what we promised, and that's that pump and that fullness and that shape and that size. Let's go. All right, guys, it's time to go ahead and blow those tris up. Exercise number one, rope press down. Let's get it. Yes, sir. 2, 15 reps. 3, 4, 5, yep. 6, 7, that's it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Excellent, excellent. Let's transition right into it. Seated dip, my friend. That's it. Hands close to the hip. Let's get it. 15. 1. There you go. 2. Yes, sir. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Excellent. Yes, sir. Switch with me. Right here. Overhead extension. Yep. 1, let's go. 2, yes. 3, I love it. 4, yep. 5, that's it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, come on. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yes, sir. All right, close grip push-up, my friend. Let's elevate those heels. Hands close. Yep. That's it. 1, 2. There you go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. One more. Yep. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Round 2. Let's go. Let's go. 15 reps. 15 reps. Head up, chest out. Guys, you notice as he's pulling the rope down and apart, we get that extra flexion at the tricep. That extra squeeze, maximum contraction is what we call it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love it. Let's go. See the dip, baby. So guys, also, you can't see this, but here, he's dragging his back up and down the bench as he goes down and up. That way we keep the shoulders safe and keep that tension on the triceps, all right? Always remember, drag your body up and down that bench to keep those shoulders safe. That's it. Yes, sir. I love it, I love it, I love it. Yep, come on with it, come on with it. Yep. Yes, sir, switch with me, overhead extension. Guys, this bench is amazing, all right? It's a hip thrust pad. You can also perform calf extensions on it. As you can see, we can do seated stuff on it. It's an amazing addition to an amazing Smith machine, all right? The Kahuna strength machine is elite. It's #1 for a lot of reasons. One of those reasons being, look at how well we can isolate a small muscle group like triceps on a Smith machine. All right, everything you need right here. All right, all you need to train every body part to get maximum results, you can definitely do it with the Kahuna. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Close grip push-ups, my brother. Yep, yep, yep. Let's go, let's go. 1, that's it. 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yes, sir. All right, guys, round 3. Let's get it. 1, yes, sir. 2, 3, 4, that's it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yep, let's go. Let's get it, let's get it. Yep, yep, 15. Guys, check this out. Listen, coming up over the next few months, we got some great content coming for you. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any videos that we put out. Also, too, if there's anything in particular or specific that you want to see from us, listen, go ahead and let us know what that is, and we'll get to it, all right? And go ahead and smash that like button as well. Let's get it, bro. Yes, sir. 2, 3, come on. 4, that's it. 5, that's it. 7, yes, sir. Yep. 5 more. 5, yes, sir. 4, 3, 2, yep, and 1, excellent. Yep, yep. Close grip push-ups, baby. Let's fill them tries up with blood. Yep, pump them out. 2, that's it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yes, sir. Yo, guys, thank you for watching. We work hard to make the best content we can. Please like and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on for new updates and leave comments with any questions and concerns, or just show your support. Peace.